Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. All the
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to make introduction of your video. So how we will make intro. These are the steps on how to make introduction. Number 1, download KineMaster and open the application. Number 2, select create new. Number 3, choose the first one on the aspect ratio, the one with YouTube logo. Number 4, press media on the circle shape. Number 5, at the side of the screen, click photo. Number 6, click images. Number 7, choose any color or design for background. You will not see the background I choose because the color is black. Number 8, click layer. Number 9, choose sticker on the option. Number 10, choose any of the stickers. Want more sticker or animation? You can go to the store icon where the blue arrow is pointing it. This is where you can get more animation and sticker. You can choose any sticker designed here. If you found sticker you like, just click installed so you can use it in your video. So I choose this radar for my intro sticker, so I'll use it now. Number 11, you can start designing your intro video by putting stickers and text in it. In that radar sticker, there are lots of options, so you can choose any of those green radar type design and just adjust the size as you wish, if you want bigger or smaller, or you can put another one to put over it. So be creative, feel free to experiment and adjust, like make it bigger or smaller, so it's up to you. You can choose how long your sticker will stay in the video, and just press the red line to adjust it. So if you want to put more sticker on your video, you can just add and do the same instruction, and if you don't like it you can just delete. Just press the bin icon and you can change any sticker you like. If you want to delete your sticker, just click this bin icon. To put text, click layer and after select text. Number 13. Type your channel name, adjust the size, and choose any font style you want. So here there are lots of font sizes. So if you want bigger font, you can choose. So I choose the bigger font, that's why it is quite wide text. Number 14. Choose the color of your font. So you can put a border of the letter. You can choose black or yellow or any color you like, as you wish. So just be creative to do that. And if you want different color of the letter instead of white, you can put any color. Maybe your favorite color, you can put it. So I cannot say that you put this one and you put this one, because we have different choices of color. So that's why feel free to explore and invent many things that will fit with the sticker or your design. Number 15. Add music background by clicking the audio. Number 16. Choose any music background you like.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말.
Number 17. Click the plus sign to add audio to your video. Number 18. To save the video, press the import icon. Number 19. Make sure to slide the blue line to the edge of it. Number 20. Click export. And number 21, the last one, just press skip if you want free video editing. This video is being saved in your photo library. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.